Think your English is good? Let's put it to the test. This video will take you through a real English challenge from A1 to B2 level. Get 3 out of 4 questions right to move to the next level. Miss it. You're out. Ready to see how far you can go? Grab a pen, keep your score, and let's begin with A1. Level A1, Beginner. Question 1. Which one is correct? B. He is a teacher. Question 2. Choose the right word. I blank from Canada. B. I am from Canada. Question 3. What's the plural of child? C. Children. Question 4. Which one is a question? B. Do you like pizza? If you got 3 or more right, congratulations! You're moving on to A2. Let's go! Level A2, Elementary. Question 1. Choose the correct sentence. C. I have seen her before. Question 2. Which sentence is a suggestion? B. Let's go to the cinema. Question 3. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. Question 4. Find the correct negative sentence. A. I don't like coffee. Perfect score. Great. You're ready for B1. Now it gets serious. Question 1. Which word fits best? She was tired, so she went to bed early. Question 2. Find the mistake. A. To should be removed. Question 3. What's the correct phrasal verb? She gave up smoking last year. Question 4. Choose the correct question tag. You're coming to the party blank. A. Aren't you? Doing great. You're at B2 now. Level B2, Upper Intermediate. Question 1. Which word completes the sentence? B. Had woken up. Question 2. Choose the phrasal verb with the correct meaning. To figure out means. C. To solve or understand. Question 3. What's the correct sentence? C. I wish I knew the answer. Question 4. Which one is more formal? B. Would you mind helping me? Wow, if you passed B2, you're a real pro. Drop your level in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for playing the English Challenge. Want more levels like C1 and C2 or vocabulary battles? Let me know below and share this with a friend who thinks their English is perfect. Don't forget to like, comment your level and hit that bell